right, good morning. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale Beach 2013 USA Volleyball Dig the Beach Tour. Opponent. Also, just a reminder on weather. So if you do not have sand socks, we will have a vendor on the beach with sand socks.
Nice, Chris. Good job.
Double A, triple A, come see us under the main tent. Thank you.
Yes. Nice. Nice, Chris. Good job, Marina. Good job, Marina. Good hustle.